How to download Wise app on iPhone. Are you guys facing issues to download Wise app on your iPhone devices? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open App Store on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now tap on search bar and search for Wise. Once you search for it, now click on the second app over here where you can see the icon for Wise app. Click on it. Now tap on download icon. Once you tap on download, your app will start to download. Once the app gets downloaded, now tap on open. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna download Wise app on our iPhone devices. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.